DC grid technology transforms energy distribution in manufacturing, offering key advantages over AC systems. Eaton's industrial Breaktor DC combines DC switching and short-circuit protection in one revolutionary device. Conventional systems use fuses to stop high currents from short circuits and contactors to disconnect lower overcurrents. This creates coordination challenges. Industrial Breaktor DC simplifies installation, saves time, and reduces complexity. Industrial Breaktor DC combines the best features of fuses and contactors, ensures seamless coordination of switching and protection for a wide range of DC applications, from solar and battery setups to mobile, industrial, and charging systems. Industrial Breaktor DC, advanced protection, simple installation, and a future-ready design for industrial DC applications.